Hello friends, welcome back. Today I'm at Ace Hardware Store just looking for some tropical plants. Thank you so much for stopping back in. Friends, on today I'm going to be doing some things just a little bit different, and I did went to Lowe's earlier this month and I bought some flowers, and I looked for some flowers for my porch, and I found some beautiful flowers that can really actually take the sun because I get a lot of sunlight. And this is my flower pot, and I just had repainted it, and I'm getting some flower pot container pot soil, and I had to go and get some scissors to open it, and it took about 2.5, almost 3 bags of soil for the flowers, because this is, as you see, is a large pot. And just make sure that when you leave the drainage open to the bottom so the water can run through. So on today's video, this is a collaboration with Antonette Decorations. The co-host is Glam Home, My Style, My Color. And the theme is Summer Tropical Paradise. So I am going to have some tropical plants. So I decided to do it like this. So I'm going to do some tropical plants. And I had to look up what are tropical plants and what plants are tropical. So let me give you some information also on that. This plant I chose as tropical is called Petra Croton, if I'm saying that correctly, and it is a tropical plant. And I did bought this from Lowe's. So let me just tell you what a tropical plant is. A tropical plant is a plant that grows naturally in a tropical climate. A tropical climate is typically hot and humid, with temperature consistently exceeding 18 degrees Celsius with 0 frost days. So this just really tells us that this type of plant can really take the sun. And that is exactly what I need on my front porch. So this is my summer tropical paradise plant, because I am going to use this for my summer decorations. And I believe it's going to last a very long time. Already, it's very easy to take care of. Just need just a little bit of water. So with this, I am going to add some other plants, and some other plants I found at Ace that are tropical also, and I love those. So thank you so much, and I hope that this helps anyone who need easy plants. And this is a great idea, to go tropical on this way and get some plants. So I wanted to go with the real plants instead of the fake tropical plants. But if you went fake, that's fine. But I thank God for this, because I always wanted to put plants in this part, but just never knew how. Now, I can't remember the name of these, but like I said, everything I'm using here, it have to take the sun. Thank y'all so much for stopping in. Friends, this is what the finished look on this first process of this, because this first time I did the first 2 plants, but I am going to add another plant, but I messed up, and what I should have did was did this in the front yard, because I had to get my husband to help me while he carried the pot because it was too heavy, but it's well worth it. They are doing great. Now these are the other plants that I found. I love these, and I found those at Ace, and they were actually probably $1.50, $1.25. So, and I love these because they need only a little water, and they're tropical. They can take the sunlight, and they're very easy. Now, like I said, this is another time a few weeks later, as I had to finish this up because I wanted to share this and share the plants. So guys, what you think about these beautiful plants? My neighbor had these plants here, and they are so easy to keep. Thank you so much for watching and commenting and looking at my videos and watching me get through my little projects, because this is just one of my little projects I had to finish up. So this collaboration came right on time because I needed some plants in my pot on the front porch, and I bought 4 of these, so hopefully it'll come out beautiful. So continue to watch. Now here I did added some black moss after I watered it. I didn't show you that part, but I did add some water, and then I am adding some black mulch. I have to go around my plants, but that's after I finish painting my porch. But after that, guys, that was just it. And it wasn't that hard to plant. I had a little shovel to dig it a little deeper, but I might have to, push it down a little deeper. But other than that, it's not that bad. It's coming out pretty good. And this is the finished look of it, guys, and it looks beautiful. I'm telling you, so far they're so easy to be kept. They're very easy. I just have to keep a little water in it, and that's it. And I'm so grateful for this. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to watch the playlist. Guys, y'all have a blessed rest of the week. Know that God love you, and always pray. Y'all have a blessed day from Penny. Bye-bye.